Imagine infusing your hair with a sumptuous concoction of nourishing naturals, like rich and creamy wild mango extract from the ancient groves of Africa, or the smooth decadence of Muru Muru butter, harvested from deep within the tropics of the Amazon rainforest. Perhaps you would like to indulge your hair with a tangy cocktail of exotic hand-picked herbs, such as sunflower and date extracts, used for centuries in Middle Eastern, Ayurvedic, and Asian traditions. Even the tangy and edible Japanese wasabi root, used traditionally in Asian cuisine, lends its magic as a wonderful color enhancer and protector. These are just a few of our hair-healthy delicacies we've added from nature to maintain your radiant, beautiful hair. All of this is done without coating ingredients like tallow, which cause buildup and leave hair looking dull, drab, and unmanageable. The finest botanical resources in the world are yours with Keratonics. And now, having great-looking, healthy hair is simple thanks to New Way's Keratonics 3-step method. Keratonics hair care products offer you professional quality perfection in 3 easy steps. 1. Wash and rinse. 2. Nourish and mend. And 3. Refine and design.
When the New Way's R&D team was tasked with creating the next generation of hair care products for our company, we knew we had an important tradition to build upon. How could we improve upon our current product range and yet maintain the stringent standard of safety that New Way's has always been committed to? So as scientists sometimes get to do, we began to dream about the possibilities. One of the problems of hair care products is that they are often treated as commodities. While we can often add a few thrills to the product, formulations are often scaled back in order to save cost. So we thought, why couldn't we create the kind of products that chemists and industry ciders like ourselves would want to use? What if we were able to move beyond the trappings of commodity products? In fact, what if we were able to move beyond even the prestige level of our current New Way's products? So it's in this realm of beyond prestige that we began to formulate our products. We were able to take the most gentle surfactants, the most effective conditioners, the most advanced styling aids. We took extracts indigenous to various parts of the world, but that had special activity for hair, and we were able to take those ingredients and make them into 11 different products for the new Keratonics line. And what did we find? We found products that felt like nothing else, that performed like nothing else, that succeeded like nothing else. One example of the beyond prestige technology found in this product is in a special cleansing agent we found in Japan. Often when hair is considered to be healthy and smooth, it's referred to as being silky because of the tactile smoothness of silk. So what we did was we took the protein that gives silk its smoothness and then linked that to gentle surfactants. And what we got was a cleansing agent that was gentle and conditioning. But it's not enough to just have great ingredients. You also have to have proof that these things work. Clinical testing on the